In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font for an entire Google Slides presentation. If you've ever updated fonts slide by slide, you know how time-consuming it can be. The faster and cleaner way is to change the font at the theme level, so your titles, subtitles, and body text all update at once. Let's walk through it together from start to finish. Start by opening your browser and going to Google. In the top right corner, click the Google Apps grid to open the app launcher and choose Slides. That takes you to your Google Slides home, where you can see your recent files. Click the presentation you want to work on so it opens in the editor. If you're prompted to sign in, make sure you're logged into the correct account where your file lives. Along the top menu bar, click Slide, then choose Edit Theme. This opens the theme editor, sometimes called the master or theme builder. On the left side, you'll see a list of thumbnails. At the very top is the master layout. This is the one that controls the default styles for all the layouts beneath it. Click the thumbnail under theme to focus the theme panel, then click the largest topmost layout to work on the master. With the master layout visible, click into the title area so the title text placeholder is selected. Now go to the font dropdown in the toolbar and pick the font you want to use. As soon as you choose it, you're redefining the default title font for every slide that uses this layout, which saves you from updating titles individually. Next, click into the lower area of the master where the body text lives. This controls bullets, paragraphs, and most of the content text across your presentation. Open the font dropdown again and select the same font style to keep everything uniform. Matching the body font to your title choice gives your deck a consistent, professional look, but you can intentionally choose a complementary body font if that fits your design. Just make sure it remains readable at smaller sizes. When you're done, close the theme editor. Your slides will update automatically. If any text boxes don't change, they likely had manual overrides. Clear their formatting to let the theme settings take effect, or reapply the appropriate slide layout. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Stick with WebSafe, highly readable fonts from the built-in list for the best compatibility. Preview a few slides to confirm spacing and line breaks still look good, and consider bold or weight variations in the theme. If you need visual hierarchy without mixing families. That's it. Your entire presentation now uses the new font applied the right way through the theme.